Assalamu alaikum, and today we will learn that how we can generate barcode in Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint. This is a great feature with Microsoft application. You can use it and you can generate your barcodes as well. So what you need to do is you need to open the PowerPoint first. You can see I have made the translate over here, and in below section we have give the link of our channel. So now we need to put the barcode over here to scan it. So what you need to do is you need to go to the insert tab. There is a two tabs are available, get add-ins and get my add-ins. So first of all you need to click on get add-in. Then in the search box you will type QR and search it. The second option is available, QR for Office. You need to add it. And the license terms and policies, you need to read it, then continue it. Now this window has been opened for you. In this window you can see over here there is a lot of options available which you want to use it. You can use it according to your needs. First of all is HTTP, second one HTTPS, third one is mail to, telephone, SMS, geo and custom. So as you need it you can use it. If you want to change your barcode color you can change over here. Right now I am selecting blue for barcode and I will change the background color as well with the black one. So this is how. If you want to increase your size of the barcode, so you will drag over here and increase the size as you wanted. Now this is the barcode have been made. Now what last thing I need to do is I need to copy my channel link over here and I will paste it over here. Then the barcode have been made. Now I will place the insert button. You can see my barcode have been placed and I will drag it to the slide where I want to do it, so I can do it. So this is how you can make your QR code. If you will scan from your mobile or any other device, it will scan for you and automatically open my YouTube channel. So I hope that you will like this session, and if you are on first time on our channel, so please subscribe the channel and press the bell notification and like the video. Thank you.